Dalits, the hidden truth of India. The soft power of India, which has been generating since decades, has lost its effect since Narendra Modi heading as PM.
BMW कार में एक दलित को कुचल दिया.
The decayed caste system in Hinduism and its fallout on Indians, including Dalits, the low-caste Hindus, are now more in limelight than the long, soft legs of the Bollywood star Katrina Kaif. The international focus has shifted to basic human rights violation inside India. Can somebody imagine the atrocities Dalits face in so-called shining India? The religious caste system encourages the abuse of human rights. Dalits are the most oppressed ones in the Indian society. They're even forbidden to respect. In educational institutions, Dalit students are humiliated.
हमसे गटर धुलवाती थी और झाड़ू निकलवाती थी, बर्तन भी मंजवाती थी हमसे पूरे ग्राउंड में, और हमसे हमारे हाथ की चाय नहीं पीती थी और न पानी पीती थी.
Cow urine is sprinkled on Dalit students for purification. There are separate pre-nursery schools for them. They're forced to clean school toilets. Dalit students either have to sit at the back or even outside the classrooms. They're not allowed to drink water from the tap. For differentiating Dalit students, it's compulsory to wear color-coded wristbands and use bags tagged Dalits. Many Dalit students find no option but to commit suicide after facing humiliation. Dalit students are even raped and murdered in schools by teachers.
A 4-year-old Dalit girl was first kidnapped and then raped in Hapur.
Recently, on the 29th of March 2016, Delta Megwal, a 17-year-old Dalit girl from Barmer district of Rajasthan, found dead. Delta was raped and murdered at the college, drowned in a water tank behind the girls' hostel. But the filthiest is still to come.
Here, her body was floating in a water tank in the hostel, and the police have registered a case of murder and rape. According to the institute, the
police disposed of her body in a municipal garbage-carrying vehicle as trash. It's hard to believe. It's hard to digest, but this is what it is. Dalits in India knows it well, and now you should also know this. Welcome to Shining India.